Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys a cool new feature that Apple added in iOS 13 to its Shortcuts app, and that is now you can add custom icons to your shortcuts if you decide to add them to your home screen. So let me show you how you can get them. So first off, of course, you're gonna want to get custom icons. And the ones that I got recently are from a cool Apple blog that I like to read every single day called Mac Stories. You probably heard about them. I'll post a link to the blog post of them releasing some cool icon designs that they can add to your shortcuts. So this how you did this how you add them. So let's say I want to add this one to my home screen. So of course you could just choose like any one of Apple's default ones here, but they're not that good and they're just not a lot of them here. So what we're gonna do is click add to home screen, and then we're gonna click here and choose file. So right there, and this does take a little longer than usual, but it's loading. And so whenever you get that third-party icon designs for your shortcuts, like I mentioned, the ones from Mac Stories, which you get. Um, so let's say, so here they popped up right here. And let's see, which one can I use for that one? So for fun, we'll just use like a random one here. We'll choose the cloudy one. So there we go. So what's awesome, of course, is that it doesn't change the color. So let's say you like that color, and that's the color you want for that icon. It'll keep the color. It only changes the design look to it. And then you click add, and then you click done, and boom. And then when we go to your home screen, it'll be right there waiting for you, and you could quickly send a tweet now. So yeah, very cool. That you can add now third-party icon designs to your shortcuts, which if you want to add them to your home screen. So yeah, it's an awesome, cool feature that I've been playing around with a lot. So I like these icon designs from the Mac Stories team. Like I said, I'll post a link in the description below so you guys go check them out. They are not paying me, and they actually don't even know I'm making a video about this. Uh, but yeah, if you're looking to customize and you use a lot of shortcuts and you move them to your home screen, I highly recommend you guys go check those ones out, those icon designs, because maybe you'll like one or two and you'll use them on your phone. So that's pretty much it, guys. I want to share with you guys. So as you can see right there in my line with the last four screens right there, I have an add to do, add to things, search YouTube, and search in Chrome. Those are four customized shortcuts right there, and they're all using the Mac Stories icons that you could go and use. So yeah, very cool. Easy to use, easy to set up. I downloaded them from my computer, airdropped them onto my iPhone, and then downloaded them and opened them in the Files app, and boom, I can use it now. So yeah, it's very simple to use, and they just look fantastic on your home screen setup. Like, look at the last four items, right? The designs below there just looks fantastic. So like I said, that's it for now, guys. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will see you guys later. Peace.